down there fishing also.
Okay, welcome back. Sorry, it takes us a long time to take another video of the update of our of our construction here. We're just kind of busy, and I'm going to walk you through the villa this time because I think it's been a while we didn't give you an update for the villa. So we already stuccoed, do some texturing on the first floor, as you can see. See, it looks it really looks neat now that we have it's been stuccoed. So that's what it looks like. And we already have a design on what are we going to do on that ceiling. So we have lights. That's for the light. That's for the light. Have some lights in here, and that's for the air conditioner. And these are all the switches here. And this is the first floor, like I said. And of course that's the windows, you can see. And we also have this is for a wall lamp, this is going to be where the bed is, and we're thinking we put a wall lamp in here instead of a lampshade. And we have all the socket there, both sides. This is actually an open floor plan, so as you can see, this is going to be the lanai, and of course this is going to be where that big open sliding glass door, and that's going to be a glass. Oh, you can see the condominium, and the one that's in the middle is this is where you're going to put your TV. I'm gonna put the TV, and this one has another glass. And yeah, that's looking good. These are the wood that we're gonna use for our trusses here. Those are mahogany wood. Of course, we still have to clean them up, but those are the mahogany wood. Okay, and now this is the bathroom. It's the door to the bathroom, and that's another window. And there's 3 windows here, so that we have a lot of lights. And this is where gonna be the sink, and we're gonna put a big mirror right here. And this is where gonna be the shower. This right here, half will be the glass, so you can see the wall there. There's a glass. Half glass, and this one here is the toilet, and same ceiling. Of course, there's lights everywhere in here. See, you can see that it's going to be where the door. So we're thinking of a barn door, or just leave it open. If it's going to be a barn door, it has to be 2, both sides, because this is pretty, there's no space on the other side here. It's pretty small. And yeah, we're really making progress here. And this week, they're having their snacks. The boys having their snacks. And what else I'm going to show you. So I think the last time, this one also has been, most of the first floor has already been stuccoed. So these are all the connections for electricals. Electricals are embedded. We don't want to see them out. What the heck is that? Is that I don't know. butterfly there. So I'm pretty excited because, like I said, the ceiling of this one is already planned. I'm just not going to tell you what it is because it's gonna be a surprise. And here, see, this is pretty nice because this is the whole, you can have the whole view up here on the first floor. And of course that's glass here, so you can still see the view while watching TV. So that's why I put window, I put not a window, a glass on that side. And that's the update for the first floor. And this week they're going to stucco the outside now. This one, we're just waiting for our sand to be delivered. That's why they started doing some work here for the tie-beam. So yeah, sorry, it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the side because I don't think I show you. This place here is gonna be cleaned up pretty soon. So this is the side of the house here. Oh, it's also stuccoed. So that's the whole side. There's some, I guess we're waiting for the sand. It's here, it's kind of like peak season for building house. So most of the suppliers, they don't have enough sand. So, but there's still a lot of things to do. Whenever we have the sand, we can just move back here because we want this villa to be textured first before going to the other building. And yeah, we are improving. Oh, I'm gonna get this flying. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we still have a lot of this hollow blocks here. Oh, I'm gonna see. It's looking good. Get some update here at the front. So that's our I think that's the connection for the bathrooms, for the water, and that's gonna be our electricals here. So this is below the stairs, so we're making them as a place for, this is gonna be where all the air conditioner we place. I forgot what's the term of it, but we have it planned. So see, all the front is not stuccoed yet, but they're gonna be stuccoed within, hopefully within this week. That's our target, within this week. So here, and this is the side that I showed you. We are also finishing our the fence. Forgot to show you our fence. Fence. So halfway of our fence, we already put this. What do you call this? As you can see it looking good now. It's our fence. I'm excited. So there's lights on every other post. as you can see, but we put connection on each, so if we change our mind we can just add another light. So they make like a little cup there, and that's where we're gonna put our lights. And Mike asked them to do it like this way, so that whenever it's rain, the water just come out here on both sides. It's not stagnant here, but in the middle. So that's what we did. Of course, I already have all the plants here. That's Mama's. See, it's looking good. Most of, I think, all this side here, you can see the cups are being installed. So we're getting there with our fence. We just do this whenever we have nothing to do with the house. So see, it's looking good. Yeah. So I guess that's the update of our. Oh, I'm gonna show you. There's a bunker coming out. Yay! The update of our construction. So I'm gonna show you. This is our pretty sound post every day. The water today is so beautiful. It's so clear, so pristine. The bunker. They might be doing when fishing. So clear, the water, so refreshing. I'm gonna show you. I have more plants here. I know. I get started all the plants, and see the water, so clear. So I wish our turtles will be here maybe later. So that's our update for our construction. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.